The next thing I'm going to say is, guideline number 7, Lord, let us be glad and rejoice, and let us give honor to Him. Why? For the time has come for the wedding feast of the Lamb. God has prepared a place for us over 2,000 years ago for this wedding. Chineke na-akpọta ndị ọsịrị ka ọ ga-ere n'ụlọ ndị ya na-aga ọrụ n'ebe. Ọ bụrụ na anyị ga-akpọta ọrụ n'ebe, a ga-echeta azụ mgbe ọrụ nọ ebe nwa ọgba nna anyị enweghị ebe ndị ezi ebe ga-esikwa ọ bụrụ na anyị kpọrọ ndị ha gịnị ka mfụ anọtabe na akpa ya were gị wee laa ya. N'otu a ka m ga-esi bịa kpọrọ ụnụ mba n'ala eze m I went you ya na mụ na ya ebezi ebe nwa ọgba nna kwụrụ ụmụ ga-anọ. Feast of the Lamb is already at hand. The coming of our Lord Jesus is at hand. Then, Osi and his bride has prepared herself. Only with this invitation, the question is, how are you preparing yourself? Have you prepared yourself? Are you ready for the second coming of our Lord Jesus? Or see the bride have prepared herself? Are you prepared? Give what you want. Open the Lord. Oh, yeah, you are going to make it your children like Jesus. Or see the bride have prepared herself. She has been given the finest of pure white line to wear. And that will wear our for